Thanks for your interest in Fillz. In this Getting Started video, we're going to add an item to the inventory directly through the Fillz account. So once you've signed on to Fillz, you're going to click on Inventory in the left side menu and then choose Create Item. This takes you to the Create Catalog Item page. The first field that requires information is the SKU field. That's simply your book number, your item number, your inventory log, whatever you use to identify your items. Product ID is the ISBN, ASIN, UPC, or EAN. The great thing is, at this point, we can actually just scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Item, and our system matches the bibliographic data available for it. So that saves a lot of data entry. You can fill in the base price with the price that you would like the item to be listed as. Quantity, if you have more than one, you'll want to change that number. Condition, you'll select the condition from the drop-down menu. The Make Active option is available so that you can choose whether or not you want the item to list right away on your marketplaces. If it's selected, the item will be sent directly to the marketplace. If it's deselected, it's considered inactive and won't be sent to the marketplaces. International shipping and expedited shippings are optional. You can say whether or not you offer these shipping options. The Notes field is the field that provides the description of the item. So there you would just provide further details about your inventory. The Market Specific Prices section allows you to enter different prices based on the different marketplaces. Again, this is optional. You can either list all items at the base price, or you can choose to set different prices for each marketplace you list on. The additional information is mostly for your personal information. The exception to that is the category field, which would be viewable by buyers on the marketplaces. So you can put cost, would be your cost of the item. The location would be where you store the book or the inventory item. Source can be where you actually obtained that item from, so that you have a record of that. Category is the category or catalog that's used on the marketplace level. Click Save Item to update with your new information. And then you'll get the green confirmation box that says Item Saved. Yeah, okay. We understand that sometimes you don't have an ISBN for older items. So for these items, you can use a non-catalog entry. So you go to the same place, Create Catalog Item, but you click on the green Switch to Non-Catalog Item button. Here again, you need to enter a SKU. The UPC and EAN can be left blank because you may not have that information. You do need to enter a title. Base price, again, is just the price that you'd want the item to be listed at. Quantity, again, is how many copies you have. The type, you can use the drop-down box to select the media type. Bindings, again, is another drop-down menu that you can select your appropriate option from. Author information, if you have it, you would enter it in there. Otherwise, you can put unknown if the author is unknown. Publisher, if you have that information, needs to be entered. Item condition is also a required field. And image URL, if you have a picture that's hosted somewhere, you can add that information there. The other options are the same as on the catalog item fields. The only difference is if you have a publication year, you need to enter that in the additional UIEE box, the last option on the page. And you would enter that as PBYR with the pipe and then the year. And then just click Save Item. If the SKU already exists, you'll get an error message and be prompted to change that. And there you have it. Your non-catalog item is entered. Thanks for watching, and check out more of our videos by going to the Fillz Help Center and checking out our video page.